So, ito ngayon yung ating flow. Ito kayo, yung hospital. Then, from there, nag-submit ho kayo, nag-transmit kayo, okay? May receiving ng claims ninyo. 100 ba yan, 20 ba yan, or ilan. So, the first thing that will happen is this. Yung selected lang ng mga diagnosis na gusto nila, yun ang pipiliin nila sa CF4. Yun yung babasahin nila. Okay? So, sa master class ko ho, ito, isingit ko ano ba yung mga diagnosis na yan, Doc Ben? Alam niyo, sa master class ko, practically, etong mga sakit na to, babasahin, ito yung mga CF4 na hinahanap nila. So, dapat perfect ito. Okay? So, yan, Dr. Sibumpan, sa master class natin, Doc, meron tayong mga short diagnosis na dapat yung CF4 natin malinis. Kasi yan ho yung mga kinukuha nila. Yan ho yung nasa list nila. So, kapag okay, Doc, yan yung aking goal. So, sa master class, gawa na yan, okay? Practically, I will also give the checklist, okay? Doktora, Doc, we will explore that soon, ho. Okay. Sa prepayment, ho, okay? So, sa prepayment pa lang, meron ka ng decision dyan. Yung claim mo ba, ma-RTH or ma-denied? Okay? So, if you submit 50 claims, okay, the chances are, kung yung mga hinahanap ni PhilHealth na illness ay nandun sa 50, automatic yan. Either return, denied, or babayaran. Okay? Now, let's say, out of the 50, 25 sinalang sa CF4. Okay? And then, at least 30 ang nakapasa. Or may 25 na pinago, out of the 25, yung may 5 na nakalusot din. So, 30. Okay? Dito yan siya dadaan sa adjudication. Yung adjudication ho, that is the non-clinical review. Okay? Non-clinical review yan. Yan na yung mga documentary requirements, spelling, SOA, etc. From there, meron din silang makita ho dyan. Kaya magkakaroon ng RTH and denial na naman. So, from the adjudication, kung ilan ho yung naiwan doon, out of the 30, let us say, 5 yung na RTH. So, 30 na lang, voucher generation na. Then, the voucher ho will be generated, okay? Sa accounting na ho yan, eventually, lalagay sila ng pera sa bank to fund it, and then there will be the auto credit payment notice, the ACPN payment. Okay? From the ACPN, okay, tapos na, kay bayad na, di ba? Tapos na ba lahat pag nag-ACPN? Hindi pa ho tapos. Okay? So sa ACPN, you will have a notice and your claims will be paid kung ano ho yung naiwan. Now, hindi pa tapos, as I said, dahil yung listahan ho na nasa ACPN, okay, there will be tagging of the claims. So kung let us say 30 ho ang nabayaran or 25 ang nabayaran, out of the 25, there is now another list of diagnosis na isasalang sa post-audit. Ito na yon, after payment. Kasi yung CF4, pre-payment. Medical post-audit, after payment. Okay? So, pag after payment ho, okay, merong mga favorite na naman ng mga diagnosis and procedure. Okay? So, kapag may findings yan, yung post-audit, either they will do a profiling or they will review and refer it eventually to legal for investigation. Kung may findings. Kung walang findings, congratulations. Okay? Legal. Now, meron namang iba, okay, para walang gulo, payment recovery na lang. So, I want you to take note of the flow. Now, yung flow ba na yan? Yan ba talaga yung totoong flow? Okay, so depende po. Depende sa tao, depende sa setup ng region. Pero, basically, ganyan ho ang traditional. Okay? Kasi meron kang prepayment, meron kang medical post-audit payment. Okay. Now, so basically ho, mag-o-audit si PhilHealth. Kung mag-o-audit si PhilHealth, trabaho ho talaga ng hospital, basically ng hospital leader, is to prepare the hospital claims for audit. Ulitin ko may audit kasing gagawin eh. So ngayon, obligasyon ho talaga ninyo na to prepare for the audit. Dokpina na yung obligasyon na yan. Yung kanina na sinabi ko, ibalik nyo dun sa foundation. Okay? Looking at it at their perspective. So make sure na na-comply nyo yung checklist. Kasi checklist lang lahat yan eh. Yung hahanapin nila sa CF2, yung hahanapin nila sa CF3, yung CF4, okay? Those things. Okay? You should present it to them na hindi fraudulent. You should make sure na makita nila yung quality service. Ano ba yung quality service? Okay? CPG. Again, hindi mo kailangan isulat lahat doon. You need to use keywords, okay? So, okay?